Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACHV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And this situation makes just summarizing the price action very straightforward. So if you were to push me in the corner, say, Clay, summarize the price action, then yeah, pump and dump on ACHV today. I'm not saying pump and dump in the sense of this company's shady and being run out of some attic in Somalia. I don't know anything about the company. I am making that statement based solely on how the price acted today. And my definition of a pump and dump is that a price makes a really nice move, and then within a relatively short amount of time, the price goes back to where it all started. So let's apply that definition here. And real quick, where did all this start? Well, in my mind, it started when it broke out of this pattern right here at $1.53. If you go back through the history of the chart, you can see this area here acted as resistance. So that's where, in kind of, technical jargon, that's where the breakout started. So let's go through the definition. As we just discussed, price makes a really nice move. Well, it started right here, went all the way up there on the gap up. So it gapped up, and then even after the gap up, actually ran a little bit, and some poor souls bought up there. Hopefully we can all agree, yeah, that was a very nice move. Second part of the definition, within a relatively short amount of time. Considering this all happened in the same day, I'm once again assuming and hoping we can agree that, yeah, this did happen in a short amount of time. The price goes back to where it started, or in some cases lower. So again, where did it all start? Right here at this green line. Where did it close? Basically right at that green line. Now, maybe I'm stretching things a little bit, but to be fair to the bulls, they do still have a chance where the price could maybe go sideways here and then start to head back upwards. And like I said, to be fair, in that situation, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have that set of lows right there. If you picture these as stair steps, well then, yeah, the bulls would still technically actually have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. However, any more at all separation to the downside like that, I mean, that would literally be putting the price right back in this range where it all began. And not to insult your intelligence, but obviously price movements with true power are not going to be going back to where they were. They're going to be progressing forward. So we'll see what happens with it. But yeah, the bulls have very, very little wiggle room here. So we'll see what happens. But as far as I'm concerned, looking like this one was just a total pump and dump. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.